Today we're going to talk about the keto-friendly condiments. Now, it seems really straightforward, but there's a lot of exceptions to the rule, things that show up on the label that are going to confuse you. So I'm going to actually go through quite a few things to help you understand. But typically, the ones that you have to watch out for, barbecue sauce has so much hidden sugar. Ketchup, of course, is loaded with high-fructose corn syrup and sugar. There are versions of sugar-free ketchup that you can find. Mustard usually is okay, but sometimes it has sugar. I will show you. Mayonnaise is filled with soy oil. You want to avoid that. I'm going to show you the one that I'm going to recommend. Herbs are totally fine. Pesto, most of the time it's okay. I have a pesto. We're going to cover that. Dressings are a big problem. I'm going to show you what I recommend for that. Hot sauce is usually okay because they don't add sugar. Of course, salt might seem okay, right? Especially if you're doing sea salt. But I was at the grocery store last week, and guess what? They put dextrose, which is an artificial sugar, in salt. Go figure. So a condiment is a sauce or an herb or a seasoning that enhances the flavor of your food. All right, let's go through the list. And because the print is so small, I'm going to use these right here. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the yellow mustard, okay? It's organic. Both of these are organic, Trader Joe's, and this is just $3.65. Now, if you look at the ingredients on both of these, what you're going to notice is this one has no sugar, all organic ingredients, pretty good. But this one, they add the sugar. Now the problem is you can look at the sugar grams and it says 0, so you're thinking there's absolutely no sugar. Just realize it's less than 1 gram. So the number of servings in this is 52. So if you actually can make the sugars less than 1 gram and not show up, it might appear to be low. But if you're adding quite a few teaspoons, because 1 teaspoon equals 5 grams, you could be adding a lot of hidden sugars and not even knowing it. So you want to read the labels, get the one without sugar. Okay, so this one here is a dressing, Italian hemp dressing salad. It's organic. Organic hemp seed oil, organic apple cider vinegar, organic fresh basil, organic onion, xanthan gum, organic garlic, organic Italian seasoning. This is totally fine. Now, I can't promise that it tastes good, but it's totally edible. All right, here's a really good brand, the Primal Kitchen. Most of the things that Primal Kitchen puts out is really good. Chipotle lime mayo, real mayonnaise with avocado oil. It's non-GMO. Let's take a look here. Avocado oil, organic eggs, organic egg yolks, organic vinegar, water, sea salt, organic lime. Chipotle powder, lime granules, organic garlic powder, organic rosemary extract. No sugar, no soy. So that's really good. All right, Trader Joe's Thai green curry. Okay, let's take a look at this. Water, coconut milk. Okay, this is the problem. Corn starch. Soybeans. Anything with soy that's not organic is GMO. Okay, this one says sugar cane. So this one, you just have to avoid it. Okay, so let's put that right here. Okay, here is an organic green pesto sauce. All right, this has basil, extra virgin olive oil. So far, so good. Sunflower oil, cashews, and then we get to potato flakes. I don't like that. It's probably not the end of the world, but it's not perfect. All right, here we go. Imported country mix, pitted olives. Green olives, prune olives, water, sea salt, wine vinegar, oregano, virgin olive oil. This is perfect. This is good. Not a problem with that. Okay, this one, this is basically probably the only dressing at the grocery store that I found that didn't have bad things in it. This is bold Parmesan and garlic. This one has expeller pressed safflower oil. Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, sea salt, garlic, anchovy paste. And then we have sugar, black pepper. So unfortunately, this has hidden sugars. So we almost have a good product, but they have to put the darn sugar in there. Okay, here we have tapenade, which has olives, olive oil, and capers. Totally fine. Okay, here's the dressing. Classic buttermilk ranch dressing. First ingredient is canola. Unfortunately, canola is most of the time GMO. So we have corn oil, we have soy oil, cottonseed oil, and canola are all usually GMO, like 95% of the time. So if there's an oil that is the first ingredient, that is the majority of this product. So I'm not going to recommend that one. All right, we have Sir Kensington, okay, classic ranch with 100% safflower oil. So we have safflower oil, cucumber juice, distilled vinegar, water, egg yolks, salt, garlic, lemon juice, celery seed, dill, black pepper, mustard extract. This is totally fine. This is actually really, really good. So that would be something I would definitely consume. Check this out here. Kimchi sauerkraut organic. Cabbage, red bell peppers, water, onion, sea salt, garlic, ginger root, cayenne pepper, mustard seed, chili pepper, lactic acid. This is really, really good. I think I'll have some later. All right, so now we have the Sunbelt Plantations creamy roasted red pepper salad dressing. First ingredient is soybean oil. And then we have corn syrup, okay? GMO, we're not going to recommend that one. All right, so now we have Newman's Own organic oil and vinegar. So this seems pretty good and it's organic. Let's just take a look here. First thing is organic extra virgin olive oil. So far, so good. Next one is organic soybean oil. Now this is the confusion because it's organic, which means it's non-GMO. So it's definitely a lot better. Do I like consuming a lot of soy oil, even if it's organic? Probably not, but this is much better than the regular one. So if I had a choice between this and some of the other ones, I would go with this right here. And then we have the vinegar, mustard, organic onion. This is pretty good, except for that little bit of soy. And as a side note, I'm not recommending soy oil at all, even if it's organic. But if you were at a restaurant or something, or you're in a pinch and you had a little bit, it's gonna be fine. Okay, here we go. Saint Germain mustard, Dijon mustard. Okay, this one has distilled vinegar, water, mustard seed, salt, garlic, spices, and turmeric. This is totally fine. Okay, and lastly, we have Victoria Amory fine herb mayonnaise. It's handcrafted, and guess what? It's all natural. Okay, so we have sunflower oil, egg yolks, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, egg whites, water, white vinegar, salt, spices, chives, dill, onion powder, mixed tocopherols. That's vitamin E. This is really good. Totally fine. So I just wanted to go through quite a few different condiments just so you had some idea of what you should be doing when you read labels. You have to just read a lot of labels everywhere you go because they hide the sugar in there. They have the different oils. But if you have the time, I highly recommend that you make your own. I put some really great recipes down below and on this screen right here. Check them out.